All are welcome to the second part of the Surya Namaskar. Now this is the practical part. Now we demonstrate you with the each parts of these asanas, the standardized 12-step Surya Namaskar, and for the skill development of the sports person for the 25 steps of the Surya Namaskar. So first we have to start the Surya Namaskar with the Prarthana, the prayer for the Surya Namaskar.
ॐ अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्यो मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शांति शांति शांति।
Now we start the 12 parts of the Surya Namaskar. Now हमारे पास demonstrator हैं, Mr. Ajay हैं. He will demonstrate the Surya Namaskar for you. The first step.
ॐ मित्राय नमः।
Now second part, the Ardh Utthana Asanas, Ardha Asanas. एक नहीं पीछे जाना, पीछे पहले 12 step करना, 12 step आसन. हाँ, yes, go back. Making the arc of these bodies, fully stretch this. It is reducing the bellies with the extra face. Then come forwards. Then exhale the breathe. The third step, go down, Padhastasana. Both the feet together. All the palms should be beside your feet. And you have to be hold each position about 6 to 8 seconds. Then again next part, one right foot backwards, look upwards, and it increase the strength of your arms and the legs, hip joints, hip muscle, thigh muscles. Look upwards. Each position has to be hold for the 6 to 8 seconds. Then next plank positions, both feet together. Now hold the Parvatasana. Next part. Next step is the Ashtanga Pranayam Asana. Ashtanga Pranayam postures, you have to be hold it. The 8 part has to be touched to the ground. Both the feet, both the knees, both the arms, and your chins and slightly chest, only rubbing. आपका जो weight रहेगा, whole weight should be rested on the arms and the feet. Okay, come to the next step. Is the 7th position, 7 steps. To look upwards, it is feel stretching in your abdominal muscles, your hip joints for front positions. Hold it for 6 to 8 seconds. You have to be inhale the breath when backward bending and exhale the breath when coming forward positions. Then again come to the Parvatasana. You have to be hold this, both the heel flat foot should be there, fully stretched, both knees should be locked straight, arms straight, and you have to be maintaining the mountain pose of the bodies, the mountain top of the position. The next come with the same sequence, Ashwa Sanchalan postures. Look upwards, feel stretching in your legs, hold it for the 6 to 8 seconds. Then again come to the Padhastasana. Both feet together, both the arms besides the legs. Try to touch your head to the knees. Knees should be straight. Hold it for the 6 to 8 seconds. If you feel, you can breathe, inhale, exhale. Then again come to the Urdhva Ashtanga Asanas. Take your both the arms back side. make the arc position of the bodies. This arc position should be there. Look upward on the sky, feel stretching. Then the 12 steps come to the prayer pose. So this is the standardized 12 steps, 12 steps of the Surya Namaskar. Its cycle can be done from the 2 to 12, and ultimately the sages and rishis are going up to the 108 repetitions they can perform, and it is giving so many benefits, the health benefits. Your health became very good. Now we are doing for the sports person the advanced type of the Surya Namaskar, and that gives the some skill development of your motor ability can be increased with the help of this 25 steps of this asana. Now again we can start. A mantra sirf only one we have to be speak out the first time mantra, or each step we can speak, but here we only speak the first posture mantra, and then we start the different type of this skill related motor component postures. Okay, you can start now the prayer position. Speak out the mantras.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ मित्राय नमः।
So we have to be start with the some prayer, and then we have to be end with the prarthana, the shanti prarthana, shanti part we have to be performed, and then we have to be again go for the 25 steps of this Surya Namaskar for the sports person specifically, or advanced type of the Surya Namaskar. Yes, you can start now.
ॐ मित्राय नमः।
Both the arms go backward. In continuation, go back, breathe, inhale, inhale the breathe, go back, make a arc of the bodies. Now come the second postures, Triyakasana, sideward bending, inhale, sideward bending, then exhale, come normal position, then inhale, go other side, feel the stretching to the lateral side of the bodies, then inhale, come to the standing positions, and now come to the forward bending, exhale and forward bending. Then for the balancing asana, the right foot go backwards, the straight, the T positions, the T postures, the body should be in T shape, it increase your balancing ability. Then change with the same feet, other different feet. Body should be in T position, whole body straight, one leg there, in T alphabet position. Come to the normal position, go to the Padhastasana. Already we have done in the 12 steps of this Surya Namaskar. Exhale the breathe, go down. Then Bakasana. Hold it for the 6 to 8 seconds. It increase your arm strength and also increase your balancing position. The knees on the elbows, then you have to lift your legs and maintain balance on the arms only. It is called Bakasana, normal, go back. Then Asvasanchalanasana. From here in a flow you have to be performing this different asana in a very sequence wise in flow manner. You have to be look upwards, feel stretching in your legs, your hip joints, quadriceps and hamstring muscles. Then raise your hand upward in the same position, warrior postures. Inhale and go back, hold it for some, then again perform with the other leg, same position, Asvasanchalanasana, hold it for the few seconds, then go up, the warrior posture, Keep balancing, increase the strength of your legs. Come down again. Plank position. Now another balancing asana. Lift your one arms and opposite legs. Opposite legs, right arms and left legs up. Change the position, arms legs position. Other side. It increase your balancing abilities. Again, normal. Now come to the Ashtang Pratana asanas and raise your legs back side. It increase your strength. Same thing do with the other leg. Now down. You come to the Bhujangasana. Inhale and Bhujangasana. Again go to the river position of reverse. All the asanas same. Now Shashank asana. You have to be relax your body with the opposite muscles, using your opposite muscles. Relaxing your from Bhujangasana to the Shashank. Then again come back in the reverse positions. Mountain postures, Parvatasana. Then again come to the plank asana. Okay, yes, Bhujangasana. Okay, come normal positions. Then Shashank asana. Hold it for the few seconds. Relax your body here. Again come down. Next, Ashtang Pranayam asana. Raise your arms, raise your one legs. It increase the strength, the whole body strength. Then other leg. The knee should be straight, leg should be straight. Normal. The next plank asana, the Dandasana. Then balancing position again, reversing same. Opposite arms and legs should be left. The other legs, other arms, it maintain the balance. Now Asvasanchalan asana. Same legs come forwards, look upwards. Then both arms up. This is the advanced additional posture we have adding. Both arms up. Maintain the balance. You feel the stretch in the legs. Come normal position. Then other leg. Stretch it first. Look upward. 6-7 seconds. Then both arms upward. Warrior pose. Look upwards. Feel stretching. Maintain balance. Okay, come normal. Now Padhastasana. Both the feet together, arms beside the foot. Exhale the breathe. Maintain the position for the few seconds. Then again 90-degree Bakasana. Perform the again Bakasana. It increase the balancing, specifically with your arms. Very helpful in the certain sports. Okay, come down. Then the balancing asana, forward positions, and one foot go backward. One leg balancing asana. T, maintaining the T position. Then with the other leg also, leg position change. Leg maintain the balance. Okay, straight position. Arms upward, Triakasana, bending sidewards, left side. Exhale, then inhale, the right side bending. Inhale, then go back. or Utthanasanas. Okay, come normal position in prayer position, finishing the Surya Namaskar. So,
प्रेयर बैठ के करें।
now the finishing the Surya Namaskar, we have to be making the prayer, the Shanti part, the peace prayer.
हाँ वही रखो।
To finishing the Surya Namaskar exercises, we have to be repeating the finishing prayer. That is the peaceful prayer, Shanti part.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thank you very much Ajay, बहुत अच्छा demonstration दिया, very good demonstration, and thank you very much viewers, the listeners, thank you very much. This is the end. Any questions we can discuss that. Thank you very much.